Which side do you want me on? Facing this way?
Gosh, I guess
Huh?
I'm facing this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Making Tommy do a lot of work. Oh, good.
Oh, this is what the other thing's doing. It's the lookout tower thing. You
Yeah,
see
that's
that?
the new one. Yeah, they're redoing the treetop walk. So that's all going to be a part of the treetop walk. And that's going to, I think, be the new zip line, I think, behind us.
Or we're not showing anybody that.
There we go.
I can give them a 360.
This view is way prettier. Still miss the chair. But I appreciate this is a lot faster.
Oh, yeah. And you're protected from the rain.
Well, that was half the adventure.
I never put my wristband on.
Where is it?
In my pocket. I had to get the camera ready to film on the way up. It's so fast. I didn't have that much any time to do it. Yeah, I can move a lot of people through here.
No bears.
No bears. You really hear the vehicles struggling up that hill.
Is that the vehicle?
Yeah, I thought it was actually the Rambler coming down last night. And then when you guys didn't show up, it's like, oh, it must have been something else. And today it just proved it's just another. It's like it's having a hard time taking that particular truck up the hill.
So maybe this will help with the really long lines.
Oh yeah. It's easy on, easy off.
Mr. Chair loves those were nice.
What I didn't like about those was, of course, the fact that they're stopping all the time. You don't know how long it's going to take you up. So you have to definitely, this is we're 4 minutes and 5 minutes in filming, and we're at the bottom of the hill. I suppose you could ride it all night if you wanted to.
Or those cars that Allison likes. Do you see?
Oh.
He could have been at our place.
We're gonna get the going down the hill here. Here we go.
I wonder who that park belongs to. Is it that church over there? Get ready, Dad. Oh, a little bumpy.
I just.
That lucky number 13 behind you looked like it was coming for us.